Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. While I was away on holiday in Bali for the last couple of weeks, my writing partner Andrew was stuck here in London, slaving away in front of the computer, working on the very final pages of the 2 books we've recently been completing. So once I was back, I started panicking, thinking, oh my God, I wonder where we're at with things. I wonder if the project's finished or not. I wonder if there's anything I need to do. So I went round to Andy's house, basically because I recognised that I needed to get up to speed with things. If you're up to speed with a project or with an activity, then you have all the latest information about it and you can do it well. Maybe, for example, if your kid starts to do badly at school, or if you have to move to a new country and your kid has to start school there, and you're worried because they're a little bit behind where the other kids are at. You might arrange some home tutoring to get the kid up to speed with the other children in their class. Maybe before a meeting about a project that's ongoing, your boss might tell you, listen, meet me for a quick coffee before the meeting and I'll bring you up to speed with all the latest developments. We also sometimes use this expression just to talk about news. So maybe if a friend of yours has a particularly exciting or dramatic or tumultuous personal life, they might email you or text you and say, hey, listen, let's meet tomorrow. I guess I should bring you up to speed with what's been going on with me since we last spoke. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your family, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use bring someone up to speed, get up to speed with things.